the Silicon Valley for textiles in Taiwan. Taiwan's textile industry is equipped with comprehensive industrial clusters and an integrated supply chain from upstream to downstream segments actively engaged in global deployment. It provides flexible production, quick responses, and customized services. Known internationally for its innovative technology, Taiwan's textile industry not only implements strict product inspection and quality control and practices sustainability, but also strives toward automation and intelligentization. Thus, Taiwan can be called the Silicon Valley for textiles. With abundant innovative R&D capacity and designability, Taiwan's plentiful textile talents and teams are fully capable of generating creative ideas and developing multi-application products. Taiwan is an indispensable partner for international brands. Climate change has damaged the global environment. Practical actions are taken by the industry to protect nature, conserve resources, and reduce pollution. Recycle and reuse practices are employed to create circular models for sustainable, continuous development. With the development of IoT and AI, Taiwan's high-tech advantages are incorporated to keep in step with Industry 4.0. In wearable smart textiles, to enhance buyers' experiences and create a new smart and healthy lifestyle, AR and VR interactive technologies are utilized. Athleisure and fashion, outdoor and sports, home and lifestyle, medical and protective, technical and industrial. Taiwan offers a multitude of textiles for a variety of applications to meet the needs of a diversity of lifestyles. Taiwan's textile industry will continue to innovate, research, and develop green and functional products and build sustainable value chains to create endless possibilities for the comfort of our lives. Taiwan, the new Silicon Valley of the global textile industry.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and our media friends, good morning. Welcome to join us at today's online webinar, Taiwan Excellence Textile Manufacturing Solution. I'm Jennifer, and I'm honored to be your MC today. Taiwan External Trade Development Council, with 63 offices worldwide, is Taiwan's foremost nonprofit trade promotion organization. We help to promote Taiwan industry through exhibitions, marketing, and trade missions. Today, we are jointly organizing the webinar with Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade, the Ministry of Economic Affairs. We will focus on Taiwan textile machinery, which is famous around the world, and offering smart manufacturing solutions in the industry. Thanks to investment in R&D, advancements in manufacturing capabilities, and cross-industry collaboration, Taiwan has developed an integrated supply chain with different companies across the island specializing in areas such as man-made fiber manufacturing, weaving, spinning, dyeing, and finish, among others. Taiwan now accounts for 70% of the world's output of functional fabrics and is the sixth largest textile exporter globally. The export value of Taiwan's textile machinery was more than $450 million in 2020. Taiwan Excellence has gathered 4 keynote speakers from the world-leading enterprises in the textile industry, who will share industry insights and explore the future of the textile industry. The speakers include LOGICART Automation, PAILUNG Machinery, ACME Machinery, and HSINGCHENG Machinery to present their latest smart manufacturing solution during the free webinar. To begin with, we are pleased to welcome Mr. Arifur Rahman, engineer from LOGICART Automation Corporation, Bangladesh. LOGICART is one of the leading equipment manufacturers in die-house automation and became the only enterprise providing integrated textile dyeing and finish total solution platform, achieving smart production by lab-leading production and production guiding just-in-time and innovate in the lecture die house.
Hello, my name is Alan Brinsmead, LOGICART South Asia Regional Director. If you're in the textile dyeing industry, we understand the challenges you face, like labour shortages, the need to improve efficiency by reducing toppings, and the need to reduce chemical waste. At LOGICART, we create die-house total solutions to resolve such issues. So what do we mean by a total solution? Simply put, this is by ensuring we fully understand your requirements, such that we can provide maximum benefit for all our customers. LOGICART Automation not only provides automation, but our goal is to provide a practical solution that meets your needs. Irrespective of whether you are planning a new project, looking to extend an existing die house, or just wishing to improve efficiency and profitability, stage one of our total solution is to provide consultancy, advice, and recommendations to meet your objectives. After understanding your requirements, next we provide our proposed solutions for your die house planning and then discuss with you the feasibility. If you agree, we will execute the project process and begin to improve your die house. LOGICART's total solutions are composed of die stuff and chemical weighing, dissolving, distribution, die machine controls, and of course our software. We will help you to integrate our solutions with your other die house systems. All our products are designed and assembled in Taiwan using state-of-the-art technology, thus ensuring the quality of our solutions. In Taiwan, we have a strong R&D department for each part of the total solution, and here I would like to introduce my colleague from R&D, Marco.
Hello, my name is Marco Zheng from LOGICART R&D department. Once a customized total solution has been agreed with you, our team will translate your requirements into specific hardware and software based total solution by utilizing the latest advances in technology, ensuring that you have the best solution. Once system design, we oversee production and pre-delivery testing to ensure all aspects meet or will exceed your expectation. LOGICART has a great and strong R&D team. Our R&D engineers are all based in Taiwan, and we believe that our R&D has robust ability to create great products and solutions for you. We always collect marketing information, technical updates, and customer requirements to create or improve our products. We do our best to analyze what are the automation process in textile dyeing art. How could we help managers and operators to improve their efficiency? How could we reduce the labor and make the process automatically as possible as we can? LOGICART has three core advantages. First one is we support textile dyeing house to standardize the processes, implement automatic production, and reduce the labor. Second is we could help you to design and customize your dyeing house by scalability. Not only your upcoming factory, but we could upgrade your current factory. Third is we provide localized service, which means you get a personalized support in your country and no need to rely on engineers in Taiwan. That will let you get faster answer or shorten system downtime. I'm truly sure LOGICART R&D team will be your best cooperative technical team.
হ্যালো, আমি আরিফুর রহমান, লজিকার্ট বিডি লিমিটেডের ম্যানেজিং ডিরেক্টর। বাংলাদেশে লজিকার্টের বিশাল গ্রাহক সংখ্যা বিবেচনা করে আমরা 2020 সাল থেকে বাংলাদেশে আমাদের নিজস্ব সার্ভিস এবং সাপোর্ট সেন্টার চালু করেছি। নিজস্ব সার্ভিস এবং সাপোর্ট সেন্টার থাকার সবচেয়ে বড় সুবিধা হচ্ছে আপনি সহজে ব্যয়বহুল প্রক্রিয়াগুলো, যেমন অঞ্চল ভিত্তিক টাইম জোন ডিফারেন্স, বিদেশি প্রকৌশলীদের যাতায়াত সংক্রান্ত ব্যয় ও সময় উভয়ই কমাতে পারবেন। যে কোনো ধরনের সমস্যা আমরা দ্রুততম সময়ে সমাধান দিয়ে থাকি। ডাই হাউস টোটাল সলিউশনের ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের প্রথম কাজটি হচ্ছে গ্রাহকের ইনস্টলেশন সাইট প্রস্তুতি নিশ্চিত করা। এর জন্য আমরা প্রি ইনস্টলেশন ব্যাপারে পরামর্শ দেওয়া ও সাইট ভিজিট করে থাকি। আমরা জানি যে প্রতিটি ডাই হাউসের অবকাঠামো এবং চাহিদা ভিন্ন, তাই আমাদের এক্সপার্ট প্রকৌশলী সাইটটি পর্যবেক্ষণ পূর্বক মূল্যায়ন করে পাইপিং পরামর্শ প্রদান, বিল্ডিং এর মেজানিন এবং পুরো সাইটের কর্মপ্রণালী তৈরি করে। সাইট কনস্ট্রাকশন কার্যাদি সম্পন্ন হওয়ার পরে আমাদের অভিজ্ঞ ইঞ্জিনিয়ার পুরো ইনস্টলেশনটি সম্পন্ন করেন এবং তার যথাযথ কর্তৃপক্ষের নিকট হস্তান্তর করেন। এবং অবশ্যই আমরা এর ব্যবহারকারীদের জন্য সম্পূর্ণ প্রশিক্ষণগুলো আমরা বাংলায় প্রদান করে থাকি। মেশিন ইনস্টলেশন এবং তা হস্তান্তর পরেও আমরা আমাদের সিস্টেমগুলো শতভাগ দায়িত্ব নেই। পরবর্তীকালে আমরা আপনার পুরো সিস্টেমের আশানুরূপ কর্মদক্ষতা নিশ্চিতের লক্ষ্যে অনলাইন, সরজমিনে সাইট পরিদর্শন এবং উভয়ের মাধ্যমে সহায়তা প্রদান করে থাকি। লজিকার্ট এই মর্মে প্রতিশ্রুতি দেয় যে আমরা আমাদের পণ্যগুলোর জন্য আজীবন সার্ভিস সরবরাহ করব এবং আমাদের সফটওয়্যারগুলো নিয়মিত আপডেট রাখব, যেন তা ব্যবহার বান্ধব হয় এবং আমাদের পণ্য ব্যবহারকারীদের চাহিদা নিশ্চিত করতে পারে। লজিকার্ট বিশ্বাস করে আমরা আমাদের লক্ষ্য অনুযায়ী টেক্সটাইল ডাইং ইন্ডাস্ট্রিগুলোকে সর্বাধিক দক্ষতা ও বুদ্ধিমত্তা সম্বলিত উৎপাদনে সহায়তা প্রদান করব এবং আপনার প্রত্যাশা অনুযায়ী সম্পূর্ণ সেবা প্রদান নিশ্চিত করে যাব, যেন ভবিষ্যৎ বিকাশের লক্ষ্যে আমাদের গ্রাহকরা আমাদের সহযোগিতায় পরিণত হন।
LOGICART not only provide the equipment, we also provide the solution. This is the total solution for the die house. This solution includes the laboratory, distribution, process supervisor, and finishing. And this structure makes sure the total solution for the die house should be efficient. This is an example for the new factory planning. This planning includes standardized automation and unmanned. It could help the die house to save the water usage, die stuff waste, or improve RFT or other benefits. LOGICART solution will apply, such as die stuff storage weighing system, or for the lab, tube-free dispenser, or the supervisor system for the factory. So LOGICART solution not only for the lab or the production, it also for the overall die house management. LOGICART not only provide the semi-auto powder weighing system, we also provide a fully automatic weighing system. Die stuff dissolving system. This system not only dissolves the powder die stuff, it also has the automatic washing and airing functions. And this system also includes the RFID technology. RFID could help the system find the correct buckets, and the system also includes the automatic drying system. LOGICART also provides the die stuff distribution system. This system distributes the dissolved die stuff to the die machine, and the solution also includes the chemical weighing.
LOGICART, helping the textile dyeing industry to make the most intelligent and efficient production decisions. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Mr. Arva Rahman, for the presentation. Before we go through the following topics, here's a kind reminder. Please feel free to click the link on the screen to leave your questions. We will collect all questions after the presentations and get back to you soon. As for our next presenter, we are pleased to welcome Mr. Mason Zhao, the Marketing Assistant Manager of PAILUNG. PAILUNG Machinery is a world-famous supplier of knitting machines. Their knitting machines are custom-built for brands, designers, textile manufacturers, and contractors in the fashion, home, healthcare, and environmental textile industry. Today, Mr. Zhao will talk about why smart knitting and share the knowledge in the industry, which will help us increase productivity and efficiency in the textile industry. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Zhao.
Hi everyone, I'm Mason. I'm marketing staff in PAILUNG. As you see on the first page of this slide, today's topic is about smart knitting. What is that and why we need that? Please don't miss this opportunity and let PAILUNG and me show you the reason. What I'm going to show you is divided into three parts. The first one is about PAILUNG and why we call ourselves as a knitting solution provider. Then I will make an introduction why we need the smart knitting. At the last, I'm going to show you the smart knitting that PAILUNG provides, which is happening right now. Okay, after a brief outline, let us start now. PAILUNG never sees ourselves as the only knitting machine builder, but a knitting solution provider. We have lots of technology and experience which comes from many years, mutual cooperation with customers. As a result, we understand our customers' demand. They don't just need a fancy or multifunctional machine to help them. What they really count on is a knitting solution provider, and PAILUNG is the answer. You may ask, who is PAILUNG? We are a knitting machine builder. We help brand owners, designers, and manufacturers to develop innovative solutions. No matter it is machine optimization, production maximization, or new fabric structure that has never been seen in the world, we all put 100% effort in this. But why? Because our mission is to create a lasting innovation that needs collaboration with our customers. PAILUNG always takes collaboration very seriously, because it is like an engine of a car drives whole company to the destination we want. Most importantly, we grow up with our customer together. You can find a reason why we care about innovation so much from our leader, Mr. James Wang. He had told us that focusing on collaboration is a way to both benefit us and our clients in improving the internal process, products, and even delivering the adding value to customers. So, keeping innovative and being willing to collaboration is the best way to being cutting edge in the market. We are very sophisticated in knitting industry that starts business in 1977, which means we have dedicated to the better knitting solution over 40 years. So we are not a newbie. We have supporting customers by over 30 agents covering at least 72 countries. There's an interesting thing about our innovative collaboration. I would like to give more details here. That special team in PAILUNG called Open Innovation Lab. Here it shows how we collaborate with customers. The top side is different roles of customers, and the bottom side means the internal role of Innovation Lab. What's it for? The Open Innovation Lab is a unique team, being a consulting role that provides supportive info combining knitting machine side and the fabric technology side. It is a powerful knitting data bank because we have accumulated more than 6,000 types of fabrics in the past 40 years. The OIL also gives sampling, fabric analysis, and external training for clients. It's a rapid connection for collaboration between PAILUNG and clients. Back to the machine product, we keep chasing high-quality machine and well performance in production operation. On the slide, you see the types of machines. They are separated into knit-tail, weave knit, and ready knit. Knit-tail contains single layer, double layer, and other variety in circular knitting machines. The second one, weave knit, is the circular or flat knitting machine, which produces weave-like fabrics, which means the fabric has the strength like a weave and the comfort like a knit. The last one is ready knit, just like the wording. This product is flat knitting machine and always ready for any type of fabrics. Above all, it's all about PAILUNG, a knitting solution provider. I haven't talked about the Smart Knit, right? Let's head to the machine side and move to the main course. Here I stand is in front of the circular knitting, which is equipped with Smart Knitting system. Before my explaining why we need Smart Knitting, let me tell you a true story about our customer who produces fabric in traditional way before, and what difficulties they face too. The story goes like this. A knitting factory in Asia owns over 2,000 circular knitting machines, which is a big-scale company. To managing this amount of machines with traditional way. The traditional way I refer to is relying on manual control and people's experience. Even that is equipped with electrical devices, it still counts on the technician's intelligence. So, here comes the first problem in yarn control. The yarn control includes the tension, feeding speed, and other factors. The managing people and the technician don't know how to synchronize all the yarn control in order to get the same result in fabric touch. If there comes a new fabric order, then it will take very long time to achieve the standard. Not to mention that is for only one machine adjustment, and there are dozens of machines waiting for manual adjustment. The second problem is fabric intelligence management. As we know, knitting factory doesn't only produce only one type of fabric, even if the factory produces less type of fabrics. There always comes out a new or a better version of a fabric based on the original type. So, how can you record and manage all the parameters that can be easily understood, transmitted, and performed by human and machines? Like the first problem we mentioned, yarn control is an issue the knitting factory faces too. It's also happening to mechanical adjustment due to different operators' observation and determination. There's always a difference in this. Even the knitting parameters and the yarn conditions all are the same. Those problems comes out over again and again, not just annoying operators and making them upset. This problem cause some issues that make managing people headache. By using traditional way of operating machines, it's very difficult in allocating workforce in an efficient way. It's difficult to manage and store all the fabric parameters properly. Through this way, it's not hard to find that fabric's quality is unstable, or you cost a lot of materials to accomplish the work order. From the resource aspect, you not only waste yarn, materials, and other resources, you also lose your precious time. That is a huge cost. So, what is the solution? I would say smart knitting is the future, and not just future. It's happening right now. Why do I say that? Because it's happening right now in Pylon's innovation. Here is the illustration of Pylon's smart knitting system. It's separated into top and bottom areas. The top area shows how the knitting data is delivered from database to knitting machines in the factory. Conversely, the machine message is also sent back to the database. In this part, the smart knitting provides knitting parameter management, production monitoring, and resource optimization. It makes sure everything is on the right track. And the bottom area shows the connection between machines and the web service. Normally, this web service is set up in the headquarters or outside of the factory. In this part, smart knitting system mainly performs the control demand which comes from work order. It helps doing yarn control, mechanism control, and detection control, so as to do the adjustment immediately and precisely. Later, we talk about the function of smart knitting. Now we are showing the benefit we bring to customers. It shows you the reasons why we should choose the smart knitting replacing the existing way. Comparing to the past, it took 4 hours to manage the preparation before knitting. Now, it only takes half time to do the pre-work. And don't forget that it only shows one machine situation. If there are many, for example, 20 machines, and the disparity will be a huge amount. And due to the precise control by digitalized and electronic adjustment instead of manual control, the production error rate goes down to the 2%, which means it reduces 3%. That greatly lowers the costs from unnecessary waste. In machine operation, shutdown by unexpected problem could protect the machine from damage, but also it takes time and the cost to fix it. Smart knitting system could deduct 2% down from 3% to 1% in the shutdown occurring rate. That's all because of the accuracy upgrade by smart knitting system. As I mentioned before, the smart knitting machine could provide better manpower allocation and replace manual adjustment. It totally saves 80% of the labor cost, but it does not mean the technicians should be laid off. They could be trained and assigned to do value-added work. This creates more economic benefit to company. The last benefit I show you is work scheduling efficiency. Previously, the time from managing the schedule to dispatching the work order is 60 minutes. Now it shortens to 3 minutes to assign a command. He really gets a great change on that. At the end of this presentation, I would like to sum up all the benefits of smart knitting. Due to its rapid response and direct control from machines to the remote site back and forth, the smart knitting is quick, precise, and smart to respond to the market demand, fabric consistent quality, and resource management. It's definitely a must. All the knitters should catch up. If you have interest or any question, please feel free to contact us. Your question are welcome to be sent through the email, or you can check out our website to get more info. Again, thanks for your time and listening. I'm Mason. See you.
Thank you, Mr. Zhao, for giving us a splendid speech. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, please feel free to click the link on the screen to submit your questions, and we will get back to you soon. So after the presentations given above, we are now excited to see how these technologies could be used in business and production. Therefore, we are very pleased to welcome Mr. Chirong Zhang, Managing Director from ACME. ACME Machinery was founded in 1985 in Taiwan. The organization specializes in manufacturing a series of high-tech low-liquor radio dyeing machines that are currently used by many dye houses in more than 20 countries. Mr. Zhang will introduce new generation eco-friendly intelligent conveyor drive dyeing machine. So now, please welcome Mr. Zhang.
Hello everyone, my name is Xie Zhang. I'm the Managing Director of ACME Machinery Industry Company Limited. The ACME Machinery Industry Company Limited was established in 1985, specializing in manufacturing various kinds of dyeing machines. By professional technology and practical attitude, ACME strives to achieve perfect products. For more than 30 years, we have focused on research and development with energy saving and carbon reduction as the main axis of design in order to encourage the research and innovation. Once we develop a new product, then we give a different kind of Chinese facial makeup to be the symbol of that new product for highlighting our company's business strategy of innovation and change. Nowadays, the Earth is facing very serious water and energy shortage, and also very serious pollution problem. Therefore, how to save water, save energy, reduce carbon, reduce pollution has become the most important issue all over the world. That means how to achieve the green economy has become the world trend. Unfortunately, the dyeing industry is not only one of the biggest consumers of the water and energy, but also one of the biggest producers of the pollution. Therefore, how to save the water of the dyeing machine, that means how to minimize the liquid ratio of dyeing machine, has become the most important target of dyeing machine design. However, it seems easy, but actually it is almost a mission impossible. On the drawing, you can see that the conventional dyeing machine, when it's running, the fabrics is soaking and swimming in the water, so it wastes about 65% of the total water volume to float and move the fabrics. If the water level is too low, then the fabrics will be accumulated like a stranded boat. The fabrics stop moving and the machine cannot run. When we know this fact, we got a new idea. We try to move the fabrics by mechanical force instead of water. So after more than 20 years of research, and finally we successfully developed the new generation dyeing machine, the AMICD, Intelligent Conveyor Drive High Pressure Constant Speed Dyeing Machine. You can see on the cross-section drawing that inside the machine is equipped with a conveyor. Now the fabrics is moving by the conveyor, not by water. So the liquid ratio of this modern machine is only 1:2.5 to 3.5. More than 65% water is normal needed, and more than 65% energy, power, chemical, wastewater, and carbon dioxide also reduced. This modern machine not only highly reduced the production cost, but also completely solve the pollution problem. Therefore, we give a green color facial makeup to be the symbol of this modern machine and to emphasize its core value of the green economy. On the table, you can see how much water consumed between the conventional and the AMICD dyeing machine. For example, to dye the cotton with spandex fabrics by conventional dyeing machine need about 125 liter water, but by the AMICD conveyor dyeing machine only needed 20 liters water. Moreover, the energy power and the chemical also reduced, so you can save about $120,000 per year by only one machine. Moreover, it can reduce the carbon emission about 270 tons per year. Although the construction of this machine and the controller is very complicated, this machine is fully automatically controlled, so it is easy for the operator. When loading the fabrics, since the fabrics is almost dry, so can keep the floor dry and clean, improve the working place environment. This new modern machine not only can help dye house make much more profit, but also can protect the environment, especially improve the enterprise image. This new generation dyeing machine is the first and only one in the world. It has been awarded worldwide patents in more than 20 countries, with a total of more than 200 pieces of patent certificates. No doubt, this is the best choice of the dye house. We are proud that ACME has accomplished what was impossible of conventional dyeing machine, and making the green economy dream of the dyeing industry come true.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang, for your wonderful presentation. I believe that all of you are eager to know more revolution solutions from Taiwan. Next, we will have Mr. Evan Lin from HSINGCHENG to introduce their latest product. HSINGCHENG has been committed to innovate in textile machinery for 37 years. The focus on manufacturing textile-related machines makes them become one of the leading companies in textile industry. In order to maintain the strength in the global market, they aim to provide high-efficiency machines, good quality design, and satisfying services. Finally, we will present you continuous washing range in rope form. Please welcome Mr. Evan Lan, the Sales Assistant Manager of HSINGCHENG Machinery Corporation.
Let's take a look to our welding workshop. As you can see, from the small components to the big washing tank are all weldings by our worker. And the worker will follow the designer's drawing and the patterns to finish the scale weldings and the fitting parts. Also, all of the washing chambers are modular assembling design, which means it can easy to installation in customer factory. If customer requests the huge capacity, the modules can be expansions the size at the same time. In addition, we can provide the whole package plan, including offer the washing machines to the fabric inspection machines and the auto packing system for the new factory. Here is our assembling line, and this is the continual oil removing washing machines. And thus we can offer the customer design according to their fabrication and the inquiry. This is our automatic warehousing systems. The computer management systems can complete the first in, first out command to reduce the inventory. Also, the auto transfer system can reduce the tearing time and no need to handle by man force, and which can save more labor costs. Also, the automatic storage system is directly supplied to the production line as a package. so it can save more space in the assembling area. And without the human force to deliver the goods, we can achieve a safer working environment. Hello, I'm Elfie from HSINGCHENG Machine Sales Team. Today, I would like to introduce our company and the new series of the washing machine. HSINGCHENG Machine was established since 1984. We have 4 factories around the world, including Taiwan, China, Vietnam, and Thailand. We are specialized in manufacturing the textile pretreatment machines, such as oil remove, shrinkage machine, boil of continuous desizing scouring machine, continuous bleaching machine, cold pipe batching machine, and for the wet finish, including after printing wash machine, tensionless dryer, compactors machine, and the mercerized machine. Also, we have the auto package system for the fabric roll. The new launch of the continuous wash range in roll format, which can save energies and water consumption. This machine have multiple applications, such as cotton knitting fabric for the bleaching and inside washing, cotton woven for bleaching, inside soaping, fixing, washing, and the synthetic woven fabric for fixing, soaping, reduction, cleaning, washing, printing fabric for after printing wash, synthetic knitting fabric for fixing, soaping, reduction, cleaning, wash. The fabric pack is in pink color. You can refer it. And the washing step is the first chamber is for the roll foam washing, and the second, third chambers for the dosing, and the 4th chambers for the neutralize, and the 5th chambers for roll foam washing. And the final step is the continuous sculpture and the hydro extraction. The main technical features: first, the working speed is around 40 meters per minute. Second, each chamber can contain 400 meters of the fabric. Third, fabric residual time in each chamber is around 10 minutes. 4. The overflow and the backflow system can make full use of the water resources. 5. The auto-dosing system can deliver chemical agents automatically and precisely. 6. Each equipped with the auto filter and the floor cleaning to avoid contaminations by the impurities. 7. Each chamber equipped with 2 nozzles, which provide the request pressures and the flow rate for the washing process. So how to continue washing range to save energies? We use the conventional 600 kg style lot for residual cleaning to compare with 3 chambers of the continuous washing machine to do the reduction cleaning test. The working condition is as below. Under the same working condition, please refer the test results. The continuous washing machines can save 379 tons of the water and 335 kilowatt of the electricity and 33 tons of the steam than the conventional style lot. If you need more information, please check on our website or email for us. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Lin, for your wonderful presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Taiwan Excellence Textile Manufacturing Solution online webinar has come to an end. And for those who are joining us online, I believe you have left your questions by using the link on the screen. If you haven't, you can click on the link which we have provided below in the video caption to submit your questions. We will collect the question and forward them to each speaker, then reply via email and QA link. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our press conference today. We appreciate your participation, and we also hope that this event will help you gain a better understanding of the new trend development in Taiwan. Please feel free to scan the QR code and fill up the post-event to help us improve our service. In the next few weeks, we will hold more online conference, and you are more than welcome to join us again. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to follow us. You can also follow our Facebook fan page for more latest activity information. Please stay healthy with Taiwan Excellence. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.
In the face of a worldwide pandemic, Taiwan has actively lent a helping hand to the world. Taiwan Global Anti-COVID-19 Pavilion. In this website, we've created an anti-epidemic products and solution providers section where you can find information about suppliers or any particular business solutions. This section will help you reach out to more than 2,000 Taiwanese companies who can aid in your fight against the pandemic. In these videos, companies and experts discuss the latest innovations to help combat the pandemic. In this section, we've put at your disposal the contact information of 20 Taiwanese top medical institutions. We also inform you about the main strategies used in Taiwan to effectively control and stop the spread of the virus. So please be sure to bookmark and share this website. And remember to follow us on Facebook for our latest updates.